Fourth class science, plants living and surviving. Seventh lesson, children, plants living and surviving. Okay, plants living and surviving. Okay, plants grow on mountain slopes. Plants grow on mountain slopes, and ocean beads. Next, deserts and river valleys. Plants grow on mountain slopes, ocean beaches, in deserts and in river valleys. In fact, they grow everywhere. Yes, they grow everywhere. Okay, plants grow everywhere. Okay, not only mountain slopes, not only ocean beaches, not only deserts, not only rivers. Yes, and it's grow everywhere. Means aquatic and terrestrial. Okay, these are the two types of plants. Okay, terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. Okay, and plants differ from each other depending on the surroundings. These are the differ from each other depending on the surroundings. Okay, where they grow, let us here see, children. Terrestrial plants and terrestrial plants. Terrestrial. What is the terrestrial? What is the word meaning? Yes, it means, terrestrial means living on land. It means living on land. Okay, means plants. Yes, plants means you know. Yes, plants living on land. Terrestrial means living on land. Only we discuss only here plants grow on the land. Okay, now only land మీద గ్రో అయ్యే ప్లాంట్స్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఆ ప్లాంట్స్ మనం ఏమని పిలుస్తాం? టెరిస్ట్రియల్ ప్లాంట్స్ అంటాం. ఓకేనా? ద మోస్ట్ ప్లాంట్స్ గ్రో ఆన్ ది ల్యాండ్. ఎస్, మోస్ట్ ప్లాంట్స్ ఆర్ గ్రో ఆన్ ది ల్యాండ్. దట్ ప్లాంట్స్ దట్ గ్రో ఆన్ ల్యాండ్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ టెరిస్ట్రియల్ ప్లాంట్స్. ప్లాంట్స్ ఏంటి? ఎస్, ప్లాంట్స్ దట్ గ్రో ఆన్ ది ల్యాండ్. Plants that grow on the land, it's called terrestrial plants. What is the total meaning of terrestrial plants? Yes, plants that grow on the land, it's called terrestrial plants. Okay, here see, terrestrial plants means it's grown hilly areas, deserts, and hot and damp areas. Hot and damp areas. And plain areas and deserts and marshy areas. Okay, these are the types of lands. Okay, hilly areas, deserts, hot and damp areas, plain areas, desert areas, marshy areas. In these places grow on the plants, it's called terrestrial plants. Why terrestrial plants? It is a land, it is a area. Yes, this areas grow on the plants, it's called terrestrial plants. Okay, hilly areas, deserts, hot and damp areas, plains, deserts, marshy areas. Okay, hilly areas are the here see. Hilly areas means generally it's cold. Yes, hilly areas. Hilly areas generally it's cold area. చాలా కోల్డ్గా ఉంటుంది. In hilly areas, when it is very generally it is cold. Yes, generally it is cold. Trees are all in this area, in this hilly area. Trees are tall and straight. Tall and in this area plants grow tall and straight. Tall and straight. Okay, and these trees have needle-like leaves. These trees have needle-like leaves, and instead of leaves, instead of flowers, instead of flowers, instead of flowers. These trees bear cones. The pine, fir and cedar are some such trees. Are spruce trees are they found in very cold places. Like hilly areas generally it's cold. Yes, in this area plants grow tall and straight, and in these plants needle-like leaves, like this needle-like leaves. Okay, now like this needle-like leaves. It is a leaves. Okay, instead of flowers, no flowers, only leaves. Okay, for example hilly areas plants, for example fir, pine, cedar, spruce. Okay, these plants are grown on hilly areas. Okay, fir, cedar, pine, spruce. Okay, these plants are grown on the hilly areas. Okay, these are the only found in very cold places. These plants are the found in cold place. Hilly area is a cold place. Yes, only these plants are found in cold place. Okay, fir, pine, cedar, spruce, these plants are the grow in cold areas. Can you understand? Hilly area. Okay, terrestrial plants la we can discuss areas. Okay, terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants means land. Different types of areas, different types of lands grow on different types of plants. Yes, first hilly area. Hilly area generally it is cold area. Okay, in this area grow plants tall and straight and needle-like leaves. Instead of flowers means no flowers, only leaves, needle-like leaves are present. Okay, ఈ hilly area place lo only found in these plants fir, pine, cedar, spruce. This type of plants only found in hilly areas. Okay children, can you understand? Tomorrow we will discuss plain area, hot and damp area, deserts and marshy areas. Okay na? Only today we will discuss hilly area. Okay, hilly area is a very cold area. Only in this place grown tall and straight plants. Okay, needle-like leaves. They do not have flowers. Fir, pine, cedar, spruce. These type of plants are found in hilly area. Okay, can you understand? It is a terrestrial plants, one type of plant. Fir, pine, cedar, spruce. These plants are found in land place and hilly areas, and it is very cold areas are found in these plants. Can you understand? Plants and living surviving. And today we will discuss terrestrial plants, remaining plains, dump areas plants, deserts plants. Next marshy areas gurinchi tomorrow we will discuss. Okay.